Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys had a fabulous week. Today, this is the Friday freebie. OMG. How cute are those little animals here? This page here it's got 8 little cuties, and this page here is been designed to showcase my lovely bundle. It's called Creatures, Lovely Creatures, and all my bundles and all my books are now half price for my summer sale. Yes, you get all my digital papers at discounted price. Now this page here is part of my Creatures bundle, and I will put the picture here on the screen so you can see where to find it. And it's a lovely lovely bundles of different backgrounds and ephemera, but I absolutely love this one here. Guys, as usual, let me show you how to get your hands on these lovely freebies. As usual, guys, 2 ways to get my freebie. Way number 1 is to join my newsletter. My newsletter is an email, and I will put it here on the screen on the left hand side. I send out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. There is a video recap of the week, papers of the week. There is always a cheeky discount code or a little offer for you to enjoy. It's just a very nice email for chit chat, sometime twice a week. So just look out. And way number 2, because by the time you watch this video, the newsletter has already gone out to everybody, so you won't be able to receive this freebie. But when you join, you will be able to receive next week and the following weeks, etc. So if you want today's freebie, and there is about 300 freebies I have shared on my channel in the last couple of years. It's all put together on my Facebook group, and again, I've put on the screen. My Facebook group is an interactive community where myself and other creators and other crafters shares the project, freebies, ideas, videos, etc. So it's a very interactive platform where you can see all my freebies in date order. Okay, so once you join in, you click on files and you'll be able to download everything that is in there in date order. So it's a kind of archive where you can go and help yourself and download everything that is in there. This is my website, antoniomakes.com. Of course, it's June, so throughout the month of June we have a summer sale. I only do 2 sales a year, one just after Christmas and one in June for summer sale. All my digital papers, so if you click on digital papers here, all my digital papers are discounted up to 50% off. Some are less, some are more. You can get your hands on my Christmas paper for literally half price. All my books are half price. Every single one of them, from £3.99 to £2. So again, throughout from the 1st of June until the 30th of June. And then when you join my monthly membership, so my VIP lounge, where every month you get, when you join the £2 a month, you get 30% discount across everything on my website. So all my papers, all my book will be 30% off. Unique digital design and collection. So every month you will be able to download paper that's specifically designed for my VIP members. Digital bookmarks and tags. Again, they will change on a monthly basis. A digital magazine you can download and read, and also you can create. A gift box template. We do in alphabet, and then soon we're going to move into numbers. And last is a gift from me every month, which is an additional papers pack. Yeah, you get quite a lot for £2 a month, which the cheaper is less than the price of a coffee. You can opt out to the £5 ones, which you get everything that you get with the £2 month, but as an additional, you get a digital book of your choice from my online catalogue. So when you go into my book, you get one of these every month. You decide, so you can collect them all. And these are the lovely feedback from my VIP members. And here on the corner, my social media tags as well. Okay, guys, I'm going to go. Don't forget to download this and treat yourself to some fabulous digital papers, because it's only for 1 month. Okay, I get 2 sales a year. June is your month, so get your hands on some fabulous paper. Have a wonderful weekend. Big thumbs up if you like this video, because every time you guys interact with me, YouTube get a little notification, and it's much appreciated. Have a wonderful crafty weekend, and until next week, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.